Let's go. Huh? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Take it back.
I think the wind blew her over.
I think that's what happened.
Sing me a song, Jennifer.
I wish I had a little fuss to put my Jesus in. I take them out and put him back again. I wish I had a little black box to put my devil in. I take them out and dump his face and put him back again. I wish I had a little red box to put my Jesus in. I take them out and show him with a friend. I know it's never fun.
Okay.
I'm a cute little girl with a cute little figure. Stay away, boys, till I get a little bigger. I'm going to sing another song.
Okay.
Let's talk. I post too. And your mouth too, everywhere. You have to have food. Can't get so healthy. You have to do everything so you can go. That's all.
Wet burp or dry burp?
I don't know.
Yeah, that table had a lot of Christmases on it, I guess.
Well, the upholstery
Did a cheerleading thing.
Yeah.
bad.
The music.
Well, I remember the green vinyl. It was not.